Konnichiwa, Minsan. Honorable delegates and team leaders, I am Miguel Christopher L. Sarmiento, the current Prime Minister of Japan. Today, I will discuss to all of you our government's hard-fought battle in human trafficking. Let's talk about our history. As reported over the past 5 years, human traffickers subject Japanese, foreign people, and even Japanese children to sex trafficking. In the 1990s, Japan became a destination for international human trafficking, particularly women from Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Latin America. Many were promised legitimate work but ended up forced into prostitution or exploitative labor. This period saw the growth of entertainment visas used as a loophole to traffic women under the guise of being entertainers. International pressure, including from the United States Trafficking in Persons Report, led Japan to enact a stronger anti-trafficking laws. In 2005, the government passed legislation to combat trafficking, though enforcement remained inconsistent. Japan's Act on Punishment on Activities relating to child prostitution and child pornography and other legal frameworks help address specific issues, but challenges like death bondage, forced labor, and the trafficking of foreign workers remain ongoing issues. I encourage all of the presidents here not to ignore this concerning issue in their countries and combat human trafficking like how we do it in Japan. Japan combats human trafficking through a combination of legal frameworks, stricter immigration controls, law enforcement efforts, and victim support. Key measures include enforcing laws like the Act on Punishment of Activities relating to child prostitution and child pornography, revising visas regulations to prevent exploitation, and tightening oversight of the technical intern training program to prevent labor trafficking. Law enforcement agencies are trained to identify and prosecute traffickers, while shelters and temporary visas are provided to support victims. Japan also collaborates with NGOs and international organizations to address trafficking and raise public awareness. With this, let us all help each other and combine our knowledge on how to effectively fight human trafficking. With all of us united with one goal in mind, we can build a brighter and hopeful future. That is all. Thank you for listening. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Taiwan.